This way has taught me more than 1500 words in English, and it's very simple. Pick an author or a collection of novels for the same author. Try to highlight all the words that you don't know, but don't look them up in dictionary until later. Once you finished reading the novel, try to enlist all the vocabulary that you found or came across and they were not familiar to you. Google them, find the meaning, find the pronunciation, make sure you pronounce them correctly, and then put them in a list and try to memorize them. It's common that the author uses the same vocabulary interchangeably over the list of novels that he has published. So generally speaking, try to embrace the character of this author. In this way, you are going to learn so many of his vocabulary. This is the way I taught myself to learn more than 1500 words in English.